Kia ora tātou and welcome to the Hokonui Restoration field trip, all about tech in Te Taiao. And this is Riki, who is from the local Rūnanga. Riki, tell us a bit more about the restoration work that your Rūnanga's been doing.
Yeah, kia ora Shelley. So we've been in partnership with Toitū Whenua, which is Land Information New Zealand, around enhancing Te Taiao, which is the environment, and the biodiversity within it. So it spans a lot of different areas, but we do some pest control out in the Hokonui Hills, which is just out the back of our marae here, and we control possums and rats and mustelids up there. And we also do a lot of restoration tree planting for riparian trees and increasing the ngahere and all the taonga species within it.
So Riki, that involves a lot of mahi, a lot of different jobs that you've got to do as part of that restoration. How's technology helping with that?
Yeah, kia ora Shelley. So we've partnered with Toitū Whenua, which is Land Information New Zealand, and they've really helped us to develop three kinds of apps. One for our seed collection, another for our pest control, and another for weed control. So with those three apps combined, we'll be able to go out into the whenua and really assist us to gather data and to control where we need to control.
Yeah, because I guess if you don't know where things are, then you can't collect accurate enough information to share with others and to monitor your project. And I'm really excited to hear more about those apps. And you've got some students, some rangatahi out here doing some mahi. Can we go and meet them and see what they're up to?
Absolutely, we've got them working hard, so let's go have a look.
Okay, cheers.